Hello! Let's learn simple English together.
Hi, let's practice English for work. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm ready to start work. I'm ready to start work. Let's begin the meeting. Let's begin the meeting. I'm at my desk now. I'm at my desk now. I have a lot of work today. I have a lot of work today. I'm checking my emails. I'm checking my emails. I will start with this task. I will start with this task. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I'm working on a project. I'm working on a project. Let's work together. Let's work together. We have a meeting today. We have a meeting today. The meeting starts at 9. The meeting starts at 9. Please join the meeting. Please join the meeting. Let's talk about the project. Let's talk about the project. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? I agree with you. I agree with you. I understand. I understand. Let's discuss this later. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Thank you for the meeting. Thank you for the meeting. I need to finish this task. I need to finish this task. This task is important. This task is important. I'm working on it now. I'm working on it now. I will finish it today. I will finish it today. I need more time. I need more time. I'm very busy today. I'm very busy today. This is my responsibility. This is my responsibility. I will do my best. I will do my best. I need some help. I need some help. I can do this. I can do this. I'm learning new things. I'm learning new things. I like my job. I like my job. This work is easy. This work is easy. This work is difficult. This work is difficult. I need to focus. I need to focus. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I finished my work. I finished my work. Good job, everyone. Good job, everyone. Let's continue working. Let's continue working. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. I sent you a message. I sent you a message. I will reply soon. I will reply soon. Can we talk now? Can we talk now? Please call me later. Please call me later. I'm available now. I'm available now. I'm not available right now. I'm not available right now. Let me check. Let me check. I will get back to you. I will get back to you. Thank you for the information. Thank you for the information. That's clear. That's clear. I understand the problem. I understand the problem. Let's find a solution. Let's find a solution. This is urgent. This is urgent. This can wait. This can wait. Please explain again. Please explain again. I'm listening. I'm listening. That makes sense. That makes sense. I agree with this. I agree with this. Let's move on. Let's move on. I start work at 9. I start work at 9. I finish work at 5. I finish work at 5. I'm on time. I'm on time. I'm running late. I'm running late. I need to leave early. I need to leave early. Today is a busy day. Today is a busy day. Tomorrow is a new day. Tomorrow is a new day. Let's plan this. Let's plan this. What's the deadline? What's the deadline? The deadline is today. The deadline is today. We have time. We have time. We don't have time. We don't have time. Let's schedule a meeting. Let's schedule a meeting. I'm free this afternoon. I'm free this afternoon. I'm busy this morning. I'm busy this morning. Let's talk tomorrow. Let's talk tomorrow. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. I finished my tasks. I finished my tasks. Today was productive. Today was productive. Good work today. Good work today. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Let's continue tomorrow. Let's continue tomorrow. See you at work. See you at work. I'm going home now. I'm going home now. Time to rest. Time to rest. See you soon. See you soon. I learned a lot today. I learned a lot today. I'm improving my English. I'm improving my English. Practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing great. You're doing great. Don't give up. Don't give up. Speak with confidence. Speak with confidence. English is getting easier. English is getting easier. Let's practice every day. Let's practice every day. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson. Great job! Practice every day and your English will improve. See you next time.